Peach is a big boy now. Just like Louis. Here's Winter. Winter. She's all healed up. She's healed up pretty good, except that little bump right there. Sorry, the picture quality is not very good, but don't feel like having good lighting today. Just wanted to show you how big they've grown. That's all. Good night. You gone? You gone? You gone? Go ahead. Go on. Oh, there he goes. Bye bye.